Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the second question in exercise 4.5. Using Cramer's rule, solve the system of linear equations. There are two subdivisions. Let's start with the first one. So determinant D is going to be equal to just the coefficient matrix. So this is 2 minus 7, 5, 6 in determinant style. So let's compute the value. So this is 12 minus of minus, that is plus 35, which is equal to 47. Now determinant 1 is going to be, remember when it goes there it is 13. So the first entry in that column will be 13. Similarly this when it goes there is minus 9, plus 9. So here it comes. Then this is minus 7 and 6. So D1 value is going to be 13 into 6, which is 78. Minus of minus is plus. So 9 sevens are 63. So if you add up, this is 141. Now let's compute D2. So D2 is going to be 2, 5, 13 and 9. So if you compute, it is 18 minus 13 into 5 is 65. So this is minus 47. Now, according to Cramer's rule, x is equal to determinant D1 divided is equal to 141 divided by 47. So this is going to be equal to 3. Now, y is equal to D2 divided by D, which is going to be minus 47 by 47. So which is equal to minus 1. Now, let's take up the second subdivision. Second subdivision, it's given as 2 by x plus 3 by y is 2 and 5 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 31 by 6. So we're going to say 1 by x is equal to say a variable p and 1 by y is going to be a variable q. So this will become actually 2p plus 3q is equal to 2 and 5p plus 8q is equal to 31 by 6. So let's compute determinant D first. So this is going to be equal to 2, 3, 5 and 8. So if you compute, it is 16 minus 15, which is equal to 1. Now determinant D1 is going to be equal to, I'm replacing that x part with the value here. So 231 by 6. In this case, it is 38. So if you evaluate 16 minus of 31 by 6 into 3. So if you divide, this is 31 by 2. So again take LCM. So this is going to be 1 by 2 because 16 into 2, 32 minus 1 is 31. So 1 by 2. So this is D1 value. Now let's compute D2 value. D2 value is going to be equal to 2, 5 and in this case 231 by 6. So if you evaluate, it is 2 into 31 by 6 minus 10. So if you cut this off, this is 31 by 3 minus 10. So this is going to be 31 minus 30. So it is 1 divided by 3. Now according to the definition, according to Cramer's rule, P is going to be equal to D1 divided by D, which means 1 by 2 divided by 1. So P is equal to 1 by 2. So let's note this out. P is equal to 1 by 2. Now for Q value, Q is going to be D2 divided by D, which is 1 by 3 by 1, which means Q's value is equal to 1 by 3. Now according to the definition, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2, which means x is equal to 2. Similarly, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3, which means y is equal to 3. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.